swear in the name of Almighty Allah.
Sheikh Muhammad Singoma or district kadha wa Kibaale Muslim district ahigira abebembezi kuba bamazumanukwe babase kuhereza abasiraamu n'obwesugwa abo kubango mu abebembezi nibatunga okutinisirezubwa chendera kiro kuremesa obuherezo mu bebembezi.
Believe in yourselves. Mube mwino kwikiriza Mungu okusobora bagenze kuba ba county chairman okusobora bagenze kuba ba secretary okusobora bagenze kuba ba kanza ba imam ngo okusobora bora kwikiriza ko okusobora cya kusobora twakendere nyewe nanyonda asobora dere nyewe umunyoje kutugarura enyuma n'abantu abakukomera baletinge down. Please believe in yourselves.
Tubatuhaire muri yakusemererwa mwina kusobora kurara njara mu mwebembezi mwina kubona mwina kurubata mu gusereza mwina guterwa ejura mwina guterwa cyutu mwina guterwa musana habo muri mu kuba kwaso
kabembeza abahyaka obutumwa bunkubaha buli kororanti bakoragaine muno ubonka bebembezi then nabebembeza aba bali haiguru naba bali hansi ndibasubaru batira hamwe kandi bamanyire kike bakwebembera kugenda kwikiriza vision.
Sheikh Muhammad agumize muyagira ngo bakacamo kombe ko muziki tugomuremba mu town ya Kagadi umurumbo gurukuza kumara sente zuru kurenga billion zibera hamwe na miliyoni 200 nuko kushaba government okuba kwataraho mu rumogo
tuterehe itafwali kandi tukitugifosinga kandi tugiragira baje tuterehe itafwali eriye kurwali sanira abasiraamu kwa abasiraamu ba Kagadi ano basagikire muno government.
Islamic faith does not believe in interest, so it is high time we members of parliament emphasized that this parish model, parish development model, is remodeled to suit. You cannot say I am going to abandon all Muslims not to participate in it. So the Minister of Finance and those who are planning in this financial year, they should come up and really give us a proper procedure how they are going to incorporate this particular group of faith.
Kibaale Muslim district hati yasimye akebiro ku Rugecweka hari umunyoro Muslim district mu 2020 kandi district egerema amatwara 5 agaramo Buyaga Mabaare Cyaterekera Manyinya hamwe na Karguza Gasha kwa Thomas tumwebaze.